Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about some stocks that y'all should keep on your watch list for this morning. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped those stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video. Lastly, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, and also don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. All right. So let's begin. Right? Oh no, not that. Let me change this thing. There you go. All right, let's begin. Right off the bat, the spy right now is pretty much doing what I told y'all last night. It is. It's bouncing off of the previous level of support, right on the neckline. All right. Now, is this thing going to bounce ferociously? Like, is this the bottom? Are we out of the woods? Is the downtrend over? Well, we have to wait because the thing is, if it fails to move up here and to get above 4,400 and to close above 4,400 at and to close like anywhere underneath this circle right here, we could be in for some more selling pressure. All right, it has to get up there. The sooner the better, or else you gotta continuously be bearish. All right, so that's my thoughts on it. The Nasdaq look also exactly the same. They're both down by, well, Nasdaq is down by 2% and this one is down by 1.5%. A lot of the stocks they look like they're beaten down, but given the volatility of yesterday, it's kind of relative, right? It's really relative. Like if a lot of stocks had a massive move yesterday and today they're down by, let me show y'all. Let me take Microsoft for example. All right. So Microsoft, for example, like it has a massive move, a very wild move yesterday, and then it's down by 2%. Like, relatively speaking, it's not down by too much. Like, it's really not. It can just chill anywhere in this box right here, and then earnings is going to decide its fate. Like, you see what I mean? So again, it really all depends on where we close today. So for today, you gotta watch for some day trading opportunities. There isn't anything too safe to swing. At least I wouldn't know that until later today, to the long side or to the short side. I think I'm leaning a bit more towards the bullish side. I am, I am, but very patient with this one. Okay, so the stock, at least for today, that may make a decent move to the downside first. That stock is Neo. All right, and Neo right now is opening lower, much lower than it opened yesterday. All right, and given the fact that it has this gap right here to fill at 22 bucks, makes me think that today might be the day that it drastically falls off a cliff right here, where it just goes out and then collapse all the way down to 22, chill at the bottom for a while, and then recovers ferociously into the close. All right, so this is what I am seeing. Neo is going to be interesting. I think a lot of opportunities will be provided for shorts and later for longs. All right, like the market could pull off this. It could be very mean and just go up like this, where it could go the opposite way at first and then drop all the way down to 22 into the close. That could happen too, right? It could happen. So definitely watch Neo for an opportunity for both shorts and longs. All right, that gap is gonna fill. It's just a matter of how is it going to fill. That is the mystery for today. All right. Now, I've talked about Microsoft. Let's talk about BA. What is going on with BA? All right, now BA it also recovered yesterday from the lows of like $194, and right now it is at 200. Again, if the market does well, BA recovers. BA has earnings tomorrow. Now let me do this thing. Let me go on the daily. On the daily, there is a flag on BA. There is a flag on BA. That hammer is very strong. And we're about to open up at like 200, which is right over here somewhere. All right. I'm not too sure that the reaction is going to be that terrible for airlines. The reason why is because they've been so beaten down. Like, how much lower can these things go? Somebody could argue that, hey, the reactions could be like earnings could be so terrible with airlines, and the reaction could be so bad that we drop all the way down to like 158, and then we fill this gap right here, which would be very aggressive, like super aggressive if we see BA drop that low. I personally don't think so. I don't think it will. I really, at least I don't think we're gonna get that low so soon. Maybe within the next few months, like later down the road, after we make an attempt higher, and then there is like a major collapse, then I can expect this gap to fill right here at 160. But for now it's just tough. For now, it's really tough. So just keep that in mind. With BA, it has earnings tomorrow. The next one that we're going to talk about in today's video, we gotta talk about what's going on with Apple. All right, let's talk about Apple real quick. And Apple also showing a strong hammer, just like everything else in the market. And it's about to open up at 159. Not a good way to open. Like, it's about to open up below the opening for the last candle, which I'm not gonna lie, in my experience, that's bearish. Actually, that's not good, guys. Like, this is not good. This is really not good. Yeah, if we see something like that, the market is not safe. Like, again, it's easy. Some stocks are very easy to read versus others. Apple is like one that is like, if you're looking to see where the market is going, just look at Apple. And right now it's about to open at 160, so at like 159.6. Well, 158.6. It's not safe, people. Like, it's really not. And if we see this, the trend is going to continue all the way through earnings. It will. So be careful today, and don't be too aggressive if you are trying to dip buy. The situation is still sus. Now that I look at this, now the situation is sus, people. Think we might go a little bit lower. Yeah, that's my very honest opinion on stock, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on the pre-market analysis videos. This one is released a little bit late. It will be released at like 8:31, right? Any post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, that we can get all of this information in advance, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following social media, you can find me at NGumah and the PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah. the Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in this afternoon, alright?